Me?
नहीं सांगता स्टेटमेंट तो मागितलं
दोन चार
Even after counting, to declare your
वार बरोबर आणि वार वर येत असते आम्हाला फोनाचेर उलयता हात धरून
अरे बाबा
बरे मरे आताच लाग बरो कैंसिल
मेरा सोलो बॉल है तो पता कैंसिल
कैंडिडेट मातशें उबें रावल्यार बरें आसता
Maintenance of secrecy of voting. In pursuance of Rule 54 of Conduct of Election Code 1961, I read out the provisions of Section 128 of Representation of People Act 1951 before commencement of counting. Every officer, clerk, agent or other person would perform any duty in connection with recording or counting of votes at an election shall maintain and aid in maintaining the secrecy of voting and shall not, except for some purpose authorized by under any law, communicate to any person any information calculated to violate such secrecy. Any person who contravenes the provisions of subsection 1 shall be punishable with imprisonment for a term which may extend to 3 months, or with fine or with both. Signature, returning officer, go ahead.
थोड़ा मोदी गवतला मोदी अरे कॅमेरा क्वांटिटी आप
मागे जागा टाळायला भेटत नाही मला. Cancel bye-bye. Sì, dei coni.
Yeah.
This side is here. और देवर कोई
Team 5, great victory.
माशी फाटी आहे मरे यार
Loyalty.
Congratulations. सोनिया जी की तरफ से कांग्रेस अध्यक्षा
As per the modifications in the Rajya Sabha election rules, I think it is always said that you must. There is an amendment made some time back that you have to show the ballot to the these and all.
आणि मिकीन वोटिंग करू ना त्याबद्दल तुमका किती
No,
No comments.
Sir, tell us a view about reaction on this Rajya Sabha election.
Congress President Sonia Gandhi had reposed the faith in Shantaram Naik by again nominating him as a candidate of the Rajya Sabha. She had directed us to see that Shantaram Naik wins with thumping majority. And I am happy that Congress has remained united. Mr. Jagmeet Singh Brar and Mr. Sudhakar Reddy were also here since last 2 days. We have proved that Congress has again remained united in voting Shantaram Naik back in the Rajya Sabha.
सीएलपीच्या मीटिंग दिसून घेतला तुम्ही आज
आमचे मीटिंग जायत असतात आता इलेक्शन लागी पावतात तशी मीटिंग जायत असतात
इलेक्शन लागी पावला म्हणजे केन्ना इलेक्शन
सांगता
पब्लिक मीटिंग
आज निकाल झाला इलेक्शन
विधानसभेचे इलेक्शन प्रजा ठरयता आणि म्हाका दिसता म्हाका प्रजेचेर पूर्ण विश्वास आसा प्रजा आपल्याक जें कितें जाय तेच करतली
केन्ना इलेक्शन
वेळ आहा
ठीक है आज के लिए
For rejection of ballot paper. Ballot paper shall be valid on figure 1 is not marked or second B. Figure 1 is set opposite the name of more than one candidate, or figure 1 is so placed as to render it doubtful to which candidate is intended to apply, or the figure 1 and sub figure like 2, 3, etc. are set opposite the name of the same candidate, or there is any mark or writing by which elector can be identified, or there is any figure marked on the ballot paper otherwise than the article, that is sketch pen of the violet color scheme supplied by you for the purpose.
Sir, we can do it outside, no problem, sir.
ह्या इलेक्शनात जे भारतीय जनता पार्टी जिखली तातूंत भितर आमचे 14 आमदार आसात. तुमी प्रेसान वावडे उठयताले, हो फुट्टलो तो फुट्टलो, 14चे 14 थंयच आसात आनी आमकां 14 आमचे एक संघ आसात तेंय आमी दाखोवन दिले. काँग्रेसीक आमी वॉक ओवर दिवना. जे काँग्रेसीन क्लेम केल्ले आमी 26 मतां घेतले म्हणून ती 24 कशी जाली ती तांकां विचारात. ती 24 जाली. सो आनी दाखोवन मतां मारप ती कोणे कोणाक मारले ती म्हणटकीर तातूंत भितर प्रश्न येना. सो सगळ्यांक हो रिजल्ट खबर आशिल्लो द डे वन तो फायल करता तो पर्यंत आशिल्लो. प्रेसिडेंस असो आसा की कन्सेसस जावन कॅन्डिडेट फायनल हें बीन करतात आनी डिक्लेअर करतात. पूण हांगा गोंयांत कितें आसा काँग्रेसीन सगळ्यांक खोटयाक मारला. लास्ट म्हणजे स्पिकर जर सत्ताधारी आसलो जाल्यार डेप्युटी स्पिकर ओपोजिशनाचो आसता अशें करून कन्सेसस करतात. प्रेसिडेंस आसता हांगा कांय करना म्हणून आमी बी तांकां वॉक ओवर दिवना. सो तातूंतल्यान भितर सगळ्यो गोश्टी उगड्यो पडल्यो. MG कोणा बरोबर आसा, बाकीचे पक्ष कोणा बरोबर आसा, ते ह्या सरकाराची जितलीं कामां आसा त्या कामाक भितर ते एन्डोस करतात. ती कामां आनी जें कितें गोंयांत भितर चल्लां करप्शन म्हणात किंवा येदो व्हडलो बोवाळ म्हणात कितें चल्लां तितलें हे MLA 24 जाण एन्डोस करता. इट्स अ सिग्नल की दे आर ऑल युनायटेड फॉर एन्डोर्सींग the present scenario or present situation in Goa.
Yes. Thank you.
So, आमी आमचे 14 आशिल्ले तर आमी आमचे जिखिल्ले आसा. नंबर कोणा कडेन आसा तो जिखतात न्ही. नंबर गेम
म्हणटाले MGPचे मेळटले म्हणून.
आमी अपेक्षा हांवें प्रत्येक स्टेटमेंट दिल्लो आसा होप फॉर द बेस्ट. कोणाक सद्विवेक बुद्धीक आसा ताणें मतदान करचें म्हणून अशें म्हटलां. आमी खंयच म्हणूनात काडा पळय म्हणजे जिखतले आनी हें करतले. कॅन्डिडेटचेर बरयतना त्या दिसांनी म्हटल्यार पळय म्हणून.
तुमचे पयलीं कितें घडलें तुमच्या कडेन 7 मतां जर कोण दिता
हय
तुमकां पयलीं कोणी सांगलें तुमकां 7 मतां दिता म्हणून.
प्रश्न ना तसो कांयच ना. आमी म्हटलें की कोणाक अशें कोण ऑफर त्या वटेच्यान सुद्दां आसा की काँग्रेसीचो कॅन्डिडेट नाका म्हणून जर आमी जर कोण जर रेडी आशिल्लो जाल्यार आमी ताका ऑफर दिल्ली. सो काँग्रेस सोडून कोणी आमकां चलतालो म्हणजे तांकां हें सद्याचें राज्य चलता तें बरोबर ना. सद्याच्या राज्याचेर ते प्रशासनाचेर ते हें आसा नाराज आसा अशें कोण बी आसा तांच्यांनी आपलो राग व्यक्त करपाचें हेंच ठिकाण न्ही.
कोणूच मेळना तुमकां
न्ही चलताले पण कितें आसा काही गोश्टी सगळ्योच उघड करपाच्यो आसतात.
Okay, Mr. Mavis, I wanted to ask you. Hey, no. I wanted to ask you. You wanted to ask one question for Mavis Munino. Mr. Mavis, you were expecting 26 votes, Congress, and now practically we have 24 votes.
Of 26, we are at 25. You have seen, in effect, we have got our 25 votes. There is a genuine mistake in the voting pattern as far as one vote is concerned. Therefore, we have got 24 as against 14. One became invalid because of a genuine mistake of one of the voters.
Yes, correct.
Of one of the voters. Therefore, it is 24 instead of 25. Now, the most important thing you should read in this election is Congress was leading a coalition government, and all over the country, all over the world, it is the religion of coalition dharma. It is coalition governments everywhere, and Congress has shown that it can carry all its partners along with it. It can govern along with other coalition partners, in spite of the best of efforts on the part of the opposition to try and garner support and try to split the existing coalition. They did not succeed. So it's a big victory for the Congress party. One should realize this. Otherwise, you take the example of bigger states. There were unanimous elections. Here also it could have been unanimous election. When the writing was on the wall, Shantaram Naik will win as the Congress candidate. Why did they have to put up a candidate? Try and bring about divisions, which simply shows the religion of coalition politics as far as Congress is concerned is very strong. Coalition partners have got faith in the Congress, and this is one proof that ultimately in the end there is no alternative to the Congress party in Goa.
One well-educated MLA has put cross-voted or maybe his vote was invalid. The reason you also know well. So what action is your party going to take?
See, as far as my knowledge goes, it is a genuine mistake by one of our voters from the 25.
Well educated.
And when I say it is a genuine mistake, where is the question of action?
It's a genuine mistake.
One question, fairly justly, वातावरण निर्माण
Declaration of result of election under section 66 of the Representative of People Act 1951. In pursuance of provision contained in section 66 of the Representative of People Act 1951, read with clause A of subrule 1 of Rule 84 of the Conduct of Election Rule 1961, I declare that Shri Shantaram Naik, sponsored by Indian National Congress, has been duly elected to fill seat in the House, retiring on 28 July 2011 of a member, Rajya Sabha member, on the expiry of the term of office, returning officer.
Initial reaction after the victory.
हांव राज्यसभेक परतून वेचून आयलो बघून हांव पयली फावटी आमच्या अध्यक्षा श्रीमती सोनिया गांधी हांचे आभार मानता. तशेंच आमचे गोंयचे मुखेलमंत्री, PCC प्रेसिडेंट आनी आमचे श्री ब्रार सुधाकर रेड्डी जे AICC प्रतिनिधी हांगा आयले, काँग्रेसचे सामान्य कार्यकर्ते, गोंयची जनता आनी अनेक म्हजे वेल विशर्स हांकां हांव धन्यवाद दिवंक सोदतां. संसदेक म्हजो कार्यकाल परत सुरू जातलो. ऑगस्ट 1 दिसाक नवें अधिवेशन सुरू जावपाचें आसा. भौतेक त्या दिसा म्हगेले शपथविधी जातलो. ताजे नंतर हांव परतून कामाक सुरू करता. जे म्हत्वाचे विशय गोंयच्या संबंदांत पेंडींग आसात तांकां हांव परती चालना दितलो. तातूंतलो म्हत्वाचो एक विशय म्हणजे गोंयाक स्पेशल प्रोविजन्स करपाची अंडर आर्टिकल 371, ज्याचे मुळे दुसरे आमचे पक्षाचे आमदार तर म्हजे फाटल्यान आशिल्लेच, शिवाय NCP पक्ष हांणी म्हाका भरपूर पाठिंबो आनी आश्वासन सुरवाते पासून दिलां. तशेंच मोगो पक्षान जाहीररित्या प्रसिद्धी पत्रक काडून सपोर्ट दिलो. अनिल भाऊ सावंकर इंडिपेंडंट हाणें म्हाका 3 आठवडे पयलीं सांगलें, तूं आपल्या मेळपा पासून करत ना, 100% तुका हांव वोट दितलो, हें म्हजें उतर तुका आसा म्हणून. म्हणटकीच हे उमेदवार, हे जे आमदार आसात तांचे हांव अदीक ऋणी आसा. आमचे पक्षाचे तशेंच कार्यकर्ते, आमदार हांणी जे म्हाका सहकार्य केलें तांचे बद्दल हांव आभारी आसा. आज हांव सविस्तर इश्यूचेर उलयना, बाकी आमी वेळोवेळ मेळटले. एकच मागणी आसा, जे जे प्रश्न हांव संसदेक मांडटलो ते लोकां मुखार व्हरपाचें काम तुमी करचें हीच म्हजी मागणी आसा.
बेगीन आयज वोटींग करूं ना
हांव कोणी करूं ना ताजेर हांव कमेंट्स करता. इनवॅलिड जालें ताचेर ताणें निर्णय दिला तो निर्णय मान्य करपाचो.